My S2000 I bought, it's wrecked. We're trying to get it turning over. It's pretty ghetto, but it's working. Say what?
Don't be beeping while I'm cranking it. It's not new. It doesn't usually say stop while you crank it. Alright, hold on.
Ready when you are. I think it's hard. It's having a hard time cranking. Like it's like you said, the battery is draining.
Like the door open dinger, like 4 seconds into cranking it, it's like beep, beep. Like I think it knows what we're trying to do. And it's like stop. Just stop it.
Go ahead.
Oh, come on, come on, come on.
We were close. Oh, that sounds a lot better. Oh my gosh, it lives. With a bad idle rev. No. Look at that smoke, man. Yeah.
I wonder why it's smoking like that.
Like it's what?
It's
Idle revving?
it smells good though, really.
Yeah, let's do it again. Oh wow, that sounds a lot better. Tap it a little bit. Say what?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Let's do a burnout.
Into my truck.
Oh my gosh, this is fuming smoke. That front wheel is just all jacked up. We should weld that. You think we can move it over there? You think we can move it in the driveway and weld it?
Well, we just do it right here.
Yeah. So we gotta take the fender off now. So, yeah, we can weld that real quick. So we took the fender off and we're looking at the upper control arm here where it snapped. Well, I should say the knuckle snapped, spindle. We're gonna try to weld that back together. I mean, we're just trying to get it rolling. Yep, we got her welded up. We actually took a acetylene torch. My friend did, Jay. He bent out the lower control arm here. And we used a winch to kind of help put some tension on that. We're gonna see what it does.
We used to have an S2000. And then this happened. Something's rubbing. I'm not sure what it is. How is it not getting stuck?
I don't know, but
Something's rubbing.
so yeah, the wheel is back here.
Yeah, it smells rubbery.
You want to look at it?
No, I don't want to look at it.
I feel like
I don't know, man. It looks like there's clearance back here. It might just be this, like some mud flaps. I mean, there's a mud flap over here, but I mean, yeah. Hey, let me ride. Let me get my seatbelt.
I don't even have my own.
I know you don't. Oh, hey, chill out to the kids when I slow down. Come on. I'm gonna keep it close to the house. Oh, that was kind of rough. On the street. Easy. Is that 121?
I think I missed it here, is what I did.
Well, it grabbed something. You clear out as far as I can tell. We know.
Well, staying cool.
It's your fault.
Free tilling. You like it? Is it getting hot? Oh, I don't know. I wouldn't worry about it. This wheel, from time to time, you see it doesn't spin. Like it'll lift off the ground and then it'll stop like rolling.
Is it supposed to be smoking like that?
Right?
Is it supposed to be smoking like that?
Smell a bit of coolant.
Okay, because that's what we kept smelling. And like I said, the harder you went, the more we smelled.
I assumed I was gonna about to lose the hose, but we're good so far. Your hose or something.
It's right here if you look back there.
I think we can just smell it because it's so up.
Thanks, Brian.
Yeah.
It's just kind of like seeping out.